Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make kidney beans curry. Before we watch the video, I humbly request please subscribe my channel. These kidney beans take only 50 minutes to complete. All you need a cup of cooked kidney beans. Today I'm using a canned kidney beans, 1 onion, 1 tomato, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, 1 cup water for seasoning, salt, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, Gram Masala and Cumin seed. Now we need to blend the tomato to get nice puree. Now I'm going to show you guys how to clean canned kidney beans. Pour it to inside a bowl, pour a jar of water and let it soak for 10 minutes and drain it all the water. Now take a pot, or today I'm using Insania pressure cooker. Add the oil inside the pot. Now you can add the cumin seed. Once cumin seeds start splattering, add chopped onion. Saute about 1 to 2 minutes until nice and brown. Now you can add a ginger garlic paste. Smells so good, guys. Now we can add all the masalas and saute together. Now we can add a tomato puree and let it cook about 1 minute. After saute for 2 minutes, now we can add the kidney beans and a cup of water. Mix it and we can put the lid and start the pressure cooker for 5 minutes in manual setting. After 5 minutes, the kidney beans curry is ready, but we need to make sure we need to unlock the pressure cooker by releasing all the pressure. Now let's open the cooker. Wow, it looks amazing, guys. Look at this curry. Smells so good and delicious. Now sprinkle some garnishing, chopped ginger and coriander leaf. This curry is delicious with the steamed rice, roti, puree. This is look amazing, guys. Guys, please try my recipe and please leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.